Hi, e-commerce shop owner. So today we are talking about how do you set up a Facebook pixel? So have you installed the Facebook pixel on your website? If you haven't, I'm going to show you with my screens here exactly how to do it. We've got 7 steps to install your Facebook pixel. The very first thing that you need to do is you need to go to facebook.com/events_manager. And you can see that right on this image here is the URL. Okay, so you have to go there to start. Once you're there, you're going to click on Connect Data Sources, just like it shows on the image here on the screen. And then, so that's step one. Step one, we're going to go to facebook.com/events_manager. Then we're going to click Connect Data Sources. Once you've done that, you are going to, sorry, let me get my enhancements up so I can actually switch my screen. Step 2 is going to be to connect a new data source. You're going to select the web box and then click connect, okay? Step 3 is going to be, let me find my cursor, here we go, to create your pixel. So you're going to name your pixel. So this can be website, this can be whatever you want it to be. It can be your brand name. Choose a name for your pixel. Then you're going to click create pixel. Our next step is going to be to check for partner integration. So basically you're going to put in your website URL and it's going to tell you whether or not you can use a partner to set up your pixel. So if you're on WooCommerce, if you're on Shopify, you can use a partner. So you're not going to have to do it manually. You can actually just use their automatic installation and it'll work just fine for you. So go ahead and put your URL in, then click check. Next, we are going to choose how to actually connect to our website. So you can choose either of these options, but the top option, Conversions API and the Metapixel, is going to give you the most information. So you can decide which one of these you want to use. You can read the descriptions there, and then you're going to click Next. We're almost done. We are on step 6. Step 6 is to set up your Conversions API to connect the website activity. So this is that partner integration that we talked about just a moment ago. So this is where you're going to actually say, this is how I want to install my pixel. So go ahead and select Set Up with Partner Integration. And hopefully on the next screen, you'll have that option. If you're on WooCommerce or Shopify, you definitely have that option. And if your platform isn't there, you'll have to come back here and do one of these slightly more difficult options. But let's hope Partner Integration is an option, and then you're going to click Next. And that is when you come to your screen where you're going to select your partner. So if you are on WooCommerce, if you are on Shopify, you definitely can do that here. And then you're going to click close. And guess what? That is the last step in installing your pixel for Facebook. We have talked the last couple of days about why you might want a pixel, what a pixel does exactly. Go back and watch those previous videos. And I hope to see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get a reminder that I'm going to be going live and for every video that I post, to talk a little bit more about the Facebook pixel. Have a great day, guys. I will see you tomorrow.